Welcome to Blackstone Bazaar. Today's recipe is Lebanese chicken fajita. We will go ahead and cut the chicken into thin slices as seen here. To marinate the chicken, we're going to go ahead and add half a teaspoon of red paprika, half a teaspoon of cumin, half a teaspoon garlic powder, half a teaspoon onion powder, half a teaspoon of oregano leaves, half a teaspoon of cayenne red pepper, half a teaspoon of black pepper, a pinch of salt. We're also going to squeeze half a lemon, small lemon, and then a tablespoon of olive oil. We're going to go ahead and mix all the flavors that we added. For the fajita sauce, we're going to go ahead and peel the tomato and then cut it into small pieces. Also going to go ahead and cut some green pepper to add to the sauce. Also, we're going to cut some onions to add to the sauce. For the fajita sauce, we're going to go ahead and add some olive oil just so we can cook the onions. And add our onions, and then just give them a little mix. And then we're going to add our garlic. Just 1 clove of garlic. Now we're going to go ahead and add our green pepper and tomatoes. In the mix. We're also going to add a big spoon of tomato paste. I've also prepared on the side here the different spices that we're going to add. So we have 1 tablespoon of garlic powder. Then the red paprika and the red paprika, black peppers, as well as the cayenne red. So after 5 minutes from cooking on medium heat, you just need to kind of find this consistency for the sauce. And you're all set. We're going to save this to the side and go and cut our peppers now. We're going to go ahead and cut our peppers, starting with our red pepper. Then we're also going to cut our green pepper, and then we're going to cut about half an onion. For this video, I used about 3/4 of a full pepper and half a big onion, so it's all depending on how much chicken you have. For the avocado sauce, we're gonna go ahead and add 2 big avocados to the food processor. So I already have these cut. I'm just gonna go ahead and peel them off. And 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. We're also going to add half a lemon and a pinch of salt. And that's it. Now we process it. After processing the avocado, and once reaching this consistency, you're all set. We'll go ahead and put this on the side and ready to fire up the grill. Alright, I got my Blackstone griddle here at about medium heat temperature. I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit of oil just so I can cook the veggies first. Really good sauce. Man, this smells so good in here. I'm just gonna keep on cooking these vegetables for about 3 to 4 minutes or until we see some of the color of the onions start to caramelize. Veggies are cooked. I'm gonna set them to the side and then I'm gonna add the chicken. And go ahead and toss the chicken just like we did with the veggies. Add some little bit of olive oil. Man, it smells so good. I'm gonna go ahead and toss the chicken until it's all cooked. Now we're gonna go ahead and mix it up with the veggies that we set up to the side. Make sure you give it a good mix up. Man, I just can't explain on video how good this smell is. At this point, since we gave it a good toss up, we're gonna go ahead and start adding cheese to it. My choice of cheese is mozzarella cheese, but you can use whatever you want. Any melting cheese should work fine. Just gonna let the cheese now melt up on its own. Meanwhile, I'm gonna get my buns ready. Just get them toasted up. Now that my cheese is almost all melted up, you can go ahead and get your buns. We're gonna add the sauces inside. Final steps, add the tomato sauce that we prepared earlier. Give it a good spread. And then also the avocado sauce. Now we have the Lebanese style fajita.